everyone, let me introduce myself. I am April Nikatikawati from S1 PGST with NIM 87782585831. Discussion section 6 of English section. Excuse me, I want to ask how do I get from Jakarta?
You can take the train. The train is very fast and comfortable. Train leave very hour.
How long does it take to get there?
The train journey takes about 1 hour. Alternative, you can also take online taxi, but the journey takes about 1 hour and 11 minutes.
Excuse me, how can I get to the nearest bus station?
Sure, you can go straight for a bite, then turn right. The bus station is on the right.
Thank you. Is there a bus can take there?
Yes, you can take bus number 9. It stops near the station.